There we go. Dang. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for checking out my video. Today I'm not on the Bay Area. So you guys can see behind me, I'm on Delta today. I'm going out looking for some green bag today. The wind really bad today. It pushed me up close to the bank. Earlier morning I seen on the app the wind only around like 7-8 miles from 8 to 11 o'clock, but now it flow like 12-14 miles an hour. The wind is so bad today, but we came out here already, so no way to come back. We find that area we able to fit. We at the high tide right now, at the high point of the high tide. Hopefully the fit active and then we can have some bite today. We have only a few hours to fit. Today I'm going out with my brothers. My bad luck, man. This time of the year the fish already spawn. There are a lot of big bass will come close to the bank. We can look for some spot around the bank first, and then we can looking for some area that can hold in the fish. I have all bait set up with me today. I have like total 8 or 9 rods. We'll see how we can find them bite today. Take a little while, guys. We'll see what we can catch with that bad wind condition. All right, follow me along, guys. Good, man. Woohoo! First fish. Yes, okay. Câu thôi. Chết mày. Từ từ. He certainly got a fit, guy. The second fit of the day.
thấy Khương cử nhà câu cá chưa?
Get in.
Thấy chưa? Đâu cần nhiều.
He fly, man.
Lấy quá.
Second fit, guy. So the wind is really bad, and then we try to tuck over here to fit around, and then he dropped around the boat, and he got another one.
Kind of same size.
Yep, you're so lucky, man. We let him. Bye, guys. Yep, get another one, boy. Hey. Got a fit.
Đi đâu?
Got a fit.
Đó, đúng rồi. Nó ăn rồi ba, giật đi. Tào lao quá. Thấy nó nhấp rồi mà.
Finally, guy. Finally, I got a first fit.
Có con này bự vậy?
There we go.
Yeah.
Good, guy. Finally, my first bite of the day. In the bad condition. light show up right here. We try to fit on the outside of the draft line.
Đủ nữa chứ.
Another bite guy.
Cái nhỏ vậy.
Dang.
Con này nhiêu?
Wow. Dang. Another bite.
Small one.
A little small one. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Con không chịu quá. Đợi nó nuốt không nổi.
Good guy. That's the fifth one. The small one. That's okay.
Còn mấy nhà dữ rồi. Có video rồi.
Yep, that number 5 got a little smaller one, but it's good. Hook set. Yep. There we go. Dang.
Ơi, con này bự không vậy?
Not a bite guy. That number 6 of the day.
Ơi, con này bự.
Dang.
Nè.
There we go.
Dạ hết ta, ôi.
There we go. Dang. That number 7.
Ơi, con này lấy được nè.
Dang, từ từ, đừng có nói gì. That's a good fish guy. There we go. See guy, he swallowed the hook. Solid fish. Yep, number 7, really good fish guy. Dang. Không nhận.
Ra kìa.
Yep, that number 8 guy, I have over 6 fish today, but smaller one. Shield is inside, the smaller one. Let's release that guy. guys, after we run out boat, we thought we're not able to fish at all today because the wind picked it up so bad and they put the boat away. And after 40 minutes or an hour to fight with the wind, and we figure out what way we're gonna do and with what way we're gonna fish with the wind. We try all kind of bite today, and after we switch to drop shot and I change the color on the worm, that make a difference. After I change from the little true tail worm to maggot watermelon. After I change the color of the worm, the bite start pick it up, and then we figure out after the tide dropping down, the fish trying to stay outside of the drag line, and then we fish all along the bank, the outside of the drag line. The fish stayed out there to insulate it, and they only bite on the drop shot today. Yeah, that's all today, guys. So, really good day, fun day. It's just only the bad wind condition. Alright, good day, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave the comment, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys to the next one.